Welcome to Hypertry, Agile Growth Marketing software that will help you get both quantitative and qualitative data on your business goals, progress, drivers, and experiments. Hypertry is a tool that helps you track your business goals, get growth drivers, which are a hypothesis on how you will achieve these goals, design experiments that will validate or reject the driver, and manage results and learnings for the benefit of the entire team. Start with creating a goal. A goal should be a metric that best delivers business to your company. To give you an example of a goal, let's see an example venture, cat co-working space with cats. For cat co-working, the only growth metric that matters would be users that come to the co-working space, which is also going to be their main goal. Your goal will depend on your business. It can be leads, opportunities, sales, all directly revenue. If you want to add new metric, go to the management and click metrics. Drivers are hypothetical ways to grow your business. Depending on the stage of your venture, there are multiple ways to add drivers. You can treat them as hypotheses on buyer personas you will reach, and then experiment based on the persona to be researched. You can add drivers based on channels and then segment them further. For example, for Instagram, test business influencers as a way to grow your business. Let's see an example of cat co-working, our cute co-working space with cats. The team used channels as drivers, so they added direct mail, local associations, on-demand sales force, partnership with local stores as drivers to be validated. They're currently working on validating LinkedIn direct accounts targeting. They already validated offline ads, and they dismissed Facebook and Instagram as lead generation due to lack of results in past experiments. Experiments are short, hard metric-oriented campaigns, usually with limited budget, that are designed to validate or reject growth drivers. Each experiment should have a start and an end date, budget, estimated time to design and execute the experiment, and probability of success. You can add reach to the experiment to estimate how big an audience you want to reach to validate given hypothesis, and it should have the hypothesis itself, though it is not required. In channel, you can see all 19 traction channels to choose from, and then add source to report on the specific one you are testing with an experiment. Once published, you should add tasks along with their deadlines and costs to the experiment. You can track your progress with work notes, add learnings as you collect them, files to see details of designs and audiences, and finally, update your key metrics in data. Campaigns are longer and more results-driven experiments. You can only add campaigns in Hypertry once you validate a driver as a way to scale up your business. Similarly to experiments, campaigns have their dates, budget, and related fields. However, campaigns are designed as a part of a scale-up, so they only can be added once driver has been validated, and they are not hypothesis-driven as opposed to experiments. Do you have ideas for experiments, but you're still not sure when to execute them? Have you read an interesting success story and you want to test out what worked for the other company? You can include all of the ideas in the idea space and convert them to experiments as you work throughout the sprints. In this field, you can see the exact impact that every single experiment had on your business. This is only seen by the manager, so that they can have up-to-date access to all data related to experiments and their key performance metrics. It's one of the most important parts to track. It contains all personal and team learnings from past experiments, as well as your own learnings. Whenever you add a public learning to an experiment, it will become visible here. Results page is showing you all closed experiments in a given month for a given driver. You can see the budget that has been spent on a given driver, the success rate of your experiments, which is the metric that shows you how many experiments worked versus the total amount of experiments executed, the time allocated in all experiments creation, the progress on your metric, and the closed experiments. Management is a field that you can only see if you're a manager of the tool. Here you can add value of your hourly rate to your own user. You can add new users to the platform, as well as new clients if you are an enterprise user, or new projects and products. One Hypertry dashboard can run multiple products. However, we recommend setting up new projects for every venture or client you work with. You can also add your business metrics from the management platform.